In the previous video, we talked about how to generate ready-made color palettes using Canva's color palette generator so you can quickly create cohesive designs without building everything from scratch. If you're new here, or even new to the tool we're using, which is Canva, I highly suggest you watch our 20-minute course first before diving into this entire series. It's a short but comprehensive guide that will teach you everything you need to know to master the tool in just 20 minutes. Also, quick disclaimer, if you're serious about becoming a graphic designer, you need to start from the very beginning of this playlist and follow through every episode step by step. Each video is designed to build on top of the previous one, so skipping ahead might cause you to miss important concepts that will affect your progress later on. Warm colors like red, orange, and yellow are associated with energy, attention, and excitement, while cool colors like blue, green, and purple are linked to calmness, trust, and professionalism. Knowing the difference allows you to control how your design feels instead of just guessing what looks good. Now, the key is knowing how to use them. When I first started using Canva, I used to just drag random elements onto the canvas and hope it looked good. Sometimes it worked. Most of the time it didn't. I didn't really understand why some designs looked clean and others felt messy. It honestly felt like I was stuck, like I wasn't improving even though I was practicing. That's exactly why we created these beginner-friendly Canva assets. These are designed to help you level up your designs faster while actually understanding what you're doing. Instead of guessing, you start recognizing which elements work, what combinations look good, and what people usually use in real designs. So if you want to stop feeling lost, save time, and finally improve your design skills with confidence, just click the link in the pinned comment down below and start seeing results as soon as you receive your assets. If you want a bold and attention-grabbing design, lean towards warm colors. If you want something clean and minimal, go with cool colors. But the best results usually come from combining both. A common approach is using a cool color as your base to keep the design balanced, then adding a warm color as an accent to highlight important elements like text or buttons. This creates contrast and makes your design more visually engaging. You can try this in Canva by starting with a base color, adding elements, and experimenting with combinations using the color picker tool. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You have now learned how to use warm and cool colors to instantly improve your designs. If you want to continue improving and learn the next essential skill in graphic design, make sure to watch the next episode in this series, which you'll find in the pinned comments down below. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.